Watching Avatar: The Last Airbender. One of the best shows ever. What is going on, everyone? So today we're gonna make a washout booth for our silk screening press. So having this washout booth is key. I need to be able to burn images onto screens right here without having to go somewhere and have someone do it for me. I got the things I need, I think. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it, guys. So this is the thing I'm going to be converting into my washout booth. I think it's perfect. It's really like sealed off in here, so the water will be splashing on the sides, and it even has a top, which is good. And just go right down to the drain that I'll have installed. This is actually like a little hanger closet. So I got this thing from Home Depot. Try to do this one hand, it's kind of heavy. It's actually the same size as this. It's a little smaller, which is perfect, so it will fit inside of this. And this is perfect because it has notches, so I can put the screen down, rest it on the back of this. I'm gonna have to drill a hole in this so I could put a bucket on the bottom and have everything drain into that. All right, guys, so I got it completely cleared out. Yeah, I think this is gonna be perfect for what I'm trying to do. So we're gonna go ahead and try to put this bad boy in there. All right, so it fits in there perfectly. It's a little too low to the ground, a lot of space. So I'm gonna need to sit on something to bring it up a bit because I don't wanna be bending down the whole time washing this out. All right, guys, so I went ahead and put this table in there and stacked it on it. Room down there to put some, buckets and a drain system. Got the screen right here to see, because I'm gonna have to clean this, to see if it'll fit and how it'll do. So let's see. Oh, look at that. Perfect. There's still a bunch of room. Awesome. The problem I was having before, guys, if you saw my previous videos, I was washing it in the sunlight, and it has to be in complete darkness, so I went ahead and got a red light. I'm probably going to go to Home Depot and get some trash bags, because this right here, I think water will go through this. I don't think it's good. Some thick trash bags will the water will slide right on it. I got some stuff from Home Depot. I'm going to be trying to coat the inside of this thing with this plastic drop cloth. I'm also going to be trying to put this tubing into this. I'm going to make a hole in the back. I got some different size drills right here, so hopefully we can stick this tubing through to connect to our bucket that we're going to put there. Alright, guys, so I managed to make a hole. I got this tubing in there. It's not the best hole ever, but I'm gonna seal it up with some crazy glue, and it's not gonna be that much water, so hopefully that'll be enough. All right, guys, check it out. I have completely taped up and coated the inside with this wrap that I got from Home Depot. So I used the super glue to I just use the whole thing, just covering it, letting it dry right now. It dries pretty fast, but I'm gonna let it dry for a good 10 minutes or something. Then I'm gonna do the inside. But yeah, I'm gonna put the end of that hose into that bucket and we should be good. All right, guys, I got the wash booth set up. Check it out. Completely waterproof. The hose in here, wash it down. This tube connected down here, so should be able to drain it. This I gotta fill up completely with water. As soon as we burn the image, we're gonna submerge it into water, bring it out here, then wash it off. And that's how I made my own washout tank. Hopefully it works. There's only one way to find out though. We gotta put it to the test. All right. I'm gonna be using the water hose in the front. I'm gonna go ahead and take the end of this. We're just gonna go ahead and put it under here, under the garage. So I can grab it from the inside. All right, guys, by my calculations, the hose should be right here, and it is. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and try to clean some screens in my new washout booth. Here we go. Spray it down a bit. Emulsion scrubber. Alright, guys, here we go. Here's the real test. Let's see how much water we can contain. Alright, here we go. working, guys. Just a little close up. Go ahead and check it out. First, I gotta turn off the hose. Be right back. Release all the water. Look at that though, guys. Hardly any water on the ground, except when I accidentally sprayed myself. Check it out. The screen is cleaned. All the water is contained in here. But there's water flowing down, like trickling down, really. It hasn't gone in the bucket yet, but I don't feel anything leaking from the back, like the bottom of the floor, and there's nothing. So far so good. That's all I gotta say. All right, so I got the screen cleaned. The screen's drying. That's why it looks like this. It's all wet. One down. Ultimate test. Gotta clean this one. This one's dirty as heck. All right, guys. So I discovered why it wasn't draining, which it is now. Yeah, there was a big bend in the back, and it was sitting on top of itself. So, yeah. Let's guys do it. All right, guys. So far, the washout booth has been a success, kind of. I got it to drain good. We got these two screens cleaned, as well as this one right here. I'm actually gonna be using that one. I tried cleaning this one, but honestly, I don't even think it's worth it. It's such a hassle. These and like all these, they're gonna have to be rescreened, but I have to find a place that does that. So let's go ahead and coat the screen and try to burn this image on. All right, guys, so I think the screen is dry. I had to do it with the squeegee, that's why there's so much buildup. I think that's dry though. Shit. I have the left chest printed out right here, so I'm gonna try to burn it, guys. This is the moment of truth. Guys, I can't believe it. It worked. Blew out a little too much, which really sucks because that means I have to do everything over again. But I mean, it worked. I'm able to make screens here now, finally. I'm gonna do some more research. Look how sweaty I am. See why it blew out so much. Maybe I overexposed it. But everything is working. The washout booth is successful. All right, guys, second attempt, here we go. Let's hope this works. So we pretty much did it. I think I got the time down, but it did spray out just a tiny bit, but everything else is looking pretty crisp. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more time and I think that'll be it. I'm sweating like a dog in here. So hot, and I had to keep running back and forth to turn on the water, and I just spilled a bunch of water everywhere, so yeah, it keeps, we're having some success, guys, but it keeps blowing out, and still figuring out what the cause is. I don't know how many tries I've gone through now. This one came out a lot better. It's my water system going. You know, now I'm thinking that one would have gone perfect if I would have not left this on the freaking back. Alright guys, so I gotta give you guys an update. So things haven't been working out. I've been trying, I don't know how many times, almost getting it right, but it's not working out. I bought a new screen. Got it right here, all coated up. Nice good coat. And I also got another screen ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and try what I think it needs, which is more time. And hopefully the 7th and 8th try will work. I haven't really recorded in like 2 days because I've just been researching, trying to get this down. I think it's all about that trial and error, so let's do it, guys. The beginning of a new day, I'm gonna get this done. So let's do this. All right, guys, moment of truth. I got my my little tank of water right here that I submerged the logo into, and you can actually see it. Alright guys, it did not work. I got super close though, look at that. But the U and the D kind of molded together, and it's not so sharp, but man, a lot of it came out really clean. Alright, it's time for the brand new screen that I bought. This thing is big, but I'm gonna go ahead and try this bad boy. See what happens, guys. Ooh, kind of spilled water everywhere, but did I do it? I think I did. No way. Let's go! Let's go! No way. I freaking did it, guys. I think I freaking did it. Oh my god, all the details there and everything. It took me, this is the 8th try, I think, or something like that. It might be more. I have redone these screens over and over. This is the brand new screen. I think that's what I needed, a brand new screen. Let's take it out into the sun, guys. Can't believe it. Oh my god, look at that. The details there and everything. I did it. I freaking did it. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Hell yeah. Now I just gotta let it dry in the sun. Holy crap, that was one of the hardest things I've ever had to do in this small business of mine. I'm gonna need to take a break. We can finally get these shirts out. I'm pumped. Alright guys, I got the screen all taped up, ready to go. Just gotta load it on here. I already made my left chest mark. So we're ready to go, baby. Wow. Everything's taped, ready to go. I just got to clean this. Scrub it down. This thing looks like it's seen quite a few jobs already. Alright guys, so we finally got all these shirts done. 100% done. I didn't record any footage of me doing the fronts because I mainly had to do them by myself, and you know, I just had to get it done. So sometimes you just gotta put in the work without anything distracting you. Anything extra has to go out the door. That's what I had to do, that's what I did. But check it out guys, they are all done. Here are some V-necks right here. So yeah guys, the shirts are all done. We just gotta fold them up, box them, and we can finally ship them out. Thank you so much again, Kevin. You're the man. If you saw in the last video, there were 2 shirts that were a little sus. They were still passable. I'm gonna go ahead and send them, but I feel like I should add something to kind of make up for those 2 shirts. So I'm gonna go ahead and press these 2 hats for him. I got a little one I'm gonna put right here. So I just gotta switch out the heat press for the hat plate, and we're gonna get these pressed up so we can throw them in with the order. Other than that, everything is 100% done. That was one of the longest orders I've ever done, and most expensive. I think from now on, every job's gonna be a little more smoother since I got a lot of my techniques down, got a lot of the process down on how to set it up. So yeah, we're golden, guys. Hope you guys are enjoying the journey so far. We have done a lot in the past week. So let's go ahead and wrap this video up by pressing these hats and getting these shirts shipped out. guys, this week was a crazy week. We had our own washout tank. We learned the methods, we got our technique down, and we made our very first shirts, front and back. What a week, guys. What a week it's been. But I'm excited to see what the future holds for us, what new jobs we'll get, what new equipment I'll get. I hope you guys are excited. But yeah, let's keep it going, guys. Let's keep the ball rolling. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this little series, from me buying the silkscreen press to doing our first shirts. So stay tuned, stay subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!